Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation, Chapter 18, Shloka 66. Abandoning all dharmas of the body, mind, and intellect, take refuge in me alone. I will liberate thee from all sins. Grieve not.
Chapter 18, Shloka 66. Sarvadharman paridyajya mam ekam sharanam vraja aham tva sarvapabhibhyo moksha ishyami ma shuchah.
Chapter 18, Shloka 66. In the previous Shloka, the supreme secret was in regarding the Lord as the sole refuge. In this Shloka, the infinite knowledge, the fruit of Karma Yoga, is indicated. Dharma, as described earlier, is the law of being, that because of which the thing continues to be the thing is the dharma of the thing. Like sweetness is the dharma of sugar, sour sugar is a myth. Every object in the world has two types of properties: A, the essential, and B, the non-essential. A substance can remain itself intact when its non-essential qualities are absent, but it cannot remain ever for a split moment without its essential property. The color of the flame, the length and the width of the flame are all the non-essential properties of fire, but the essential property is the heat. The essential property of a substance is called its dharma. The condition and capacities of the body, mind, and intellect are the non-essential factors in the human personality. As against the touch of life, the divine consciousness expressed through them all. Without the Atma, man cannot exist. It is that which is the basis of existence. Therefore, the essential dharma of man is the divine spark of existence, the infinite Lord. Ethical and moral rules of conduct, all duties in life, are also called dharma. In and through all actions, physical, mental, and intellectual, a man should bring forth the expression of his true dharma, his divine status as the all-pervading self. Lord says that he is willing to undertake the service of his devotee who is working to rediscover his true dharma. He wants the meditator to accomplish three distinct adjustments in his inner personality. They are: 1. Renounce all dharmas through meditation. 2. Come to my surrender alone. And while in the state of meditation, stop all worries. As a reward, Lord promises, I shall release you from all sins. This promise is given to all mankind. As a mortal, finite ego, the seeker is living due to his identification with them, the dharmas of the body, mind, and intellect, and exists in life as a mere perceiver, feeler, and thinker. The perceiver, feeler, thinker personality in us is the individuality which expresses itself as the ego. These are not our essential dharmas. And since these are the non-essentials, renouncing all dharmas means ending the ego. By single pointed steady contemplation upon me, the self, one can successfully accomplish his total withdrawal from the equipments of the body, mind, and intellect. Lord Krishna commands his devotees to come to his shelter, whereby they can accomplish the renunciation of all their false identification. When the above conditions are accomplished, the seeker reaches a state of growing tranquility in meditation. Finally, Lord wants the seeker to renounce all his anxieties to realize, because even a desire to realize is a disturbing thought that can obstruct the final achievement. To erase all vasanas completely is to stop all thoughts, that is, the total cessation of thought flow, mind. Transcending the mind-intellect equipment is to reach the plane of pure consciousness, the Krishna reality. The Lord Infinite personally undertakes to do something helpful for the seeker in case the seeker is ready to offer his full cooperation and put forth his best efforts. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.